Good afternoon from Grandfather Farm. Been a busy morning running around. Been moving some dirt with the tractor. Now we come down and feed those animals. She's ready to go get this mice. Look, a ball in there. Silly dog. Hang on, Harold. Don't eat the fence. Okay, got the chickens fed. They gave me 9 eggs today, which is not bad. Those ducks, they still aren't laying. I gave the pigs some hay for now, and I'll grain them a little bit later. Harold and 2 of the babies over here. And Petunia and the other 2. Sally's still having a stare down with the mice. She's a statue dog. Wish she moved. Well, this guy's running up to me like I got grain. I'll let him eat the hay first. Need a pig? Let me know. These ones out here, the piglets, need to find a new home. You know, a lot of work to do, short time to do it. Alright, I'm going to head back down the barn and give some grain to those pigs. It's getting kind of late. They'll appreciate the grain. See, there they are. Like, hey, did you forget my grain? I didn't forget your grain. You just have to wait a little bit. Oh, be nice. Be nice. I'll get it. Okay, Harold and the little ones over here, they're happy. They got their grain. Petunia, 2 little guys over here eating grain. Surprised she hasn't kicked them out. I'm not sure what they're squawking about. They got plenty of grain. Sally, you done watching those mice? Come on. Okay, they're all happy. They got the grain. Well, that's all I got for today. It's probably 6:30 or so. Sure has been a nice day. The second one this year we've had. I hope we get another one tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening.